Hi guys, my name's Elga. So today I'm gonna present our Prey and Predator game, which is a two-player game that uses the onboard button for piTFT, and then we also have four external button right here. So I guess I'll start with the tutorial. Okay, so as you can see, we have four buttons for up, down, left, and right for each player. And there's like right here a test showing whose turn is it to play. So for example, it says it's the prey's turn. So like right here, so for the prey, I'm just gonna press. So this is moving right. And now it's the predator's turn. So like predator also moves right. And then as you can see, it's a maze. Since this is the tutorial, it's gonna be an easy one. So basically the prey need to get a key, and then they need to go to the door to win. And the predator need to catch the prey before it gets to the door. So I can quickly demo this, and since I'm playing Bo's character, I would simply just let my prey win this time by showing okay, this is down. Okay, right now you can see that we got a key. Okay, I'll just keep pressing randomly for predator. Okay. Right. You said it like really quick, the door is opened. That means the prey wins. And so we go to our easy level, and then right here is kind of like where you can see your scores. And so our prey wins one, so like the score turns to one. And this is kind of like a more complicated maze with a key over here. That's our level easy. It doesn't have anything special. And I can go back to manual. And then median state is the same, kind of the same layout, but we added two tools. The first one is the trap. The second one is the portal. I'll quickly demo this at our level hard. So hard, we added two more tools. The first one is the speed up. The second one is the hit and pass. So like you can see that the key is kind of like within a bunch of like walls. Like how do you actually get there is you step on the different color, like this block with different color, and then the path will be shown. I can quickly demo this. So I'll let my predator, I'll let my prey step on the speed up. So like for speed up, the prey gets two more actual moves. So like you can see I move once, I move twice, I get another move. And now it's the predator's turn. So okay. And then also I can like show with the portal. So like the portal is if you step on one side, like it will show it pop up on the other side. It's okay. Okay, now the prey is gonna step on the hidden pass, like it's shown right now. Okay. Okay, I will let my predator step on the trap just to show. Oh, sorry, it's the predator stuff. Okay. Okay, now like since it step on the trap, it's gonna be trapped there. So like the prey got two more moves. Wait, one more. And then but the trap also moves. So right now it's right in front of the prey. So it's gonna step there no matter what, because it's more complicated if you go backwards. Yeah, so I'm just gonna, okay. And then it moves again. And I guess I'll try the predator. Okay, the predator can't move. Okay, now the prey can move. Okay. Okay. So right now we got everything shown. I will let my predator win. I'll just keep, oh, sorry. This one. Okay, now my predator wins. So if you go to any level, then you can see that you can play the game again. And yeah, so basically that's it for our demo. Yeah.